Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open higher this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Yesterday the market closed 0.39% lower at 7,614. In business news from this morning, Temple & Webster report revenue of $254 million for the half. That's up 23%, driven by growth in repeat and first-time customers. EBITDA of $7.5 million for the half, with an EBITDA margin of 2.9% at the top end of full-year guidance. Business has crossed the 1 million active customers milestone for the first time in February 2024. CEO Mark Coulter said this was in the face of some of the toughest headwinds to our category we've ever seen due to the current economic conditions. Seven West Media today reported group revenue of $775 million, a decline of 5% on the previous corresponding period. Earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortisation were $124 million, which was down 40% versus the previous corresponding period. Statutory net profit after tax was $54 million, while underlying net profit after tax of $63 million represented a decline of 49% on the previous corresponding period. During the half year, the group repurchased $4 million of shares under its on-market buyback program. The board was determined that the dividend will remain on hold given the prevailing market conditions. SEEK CEO and Managing Director Ian Narvan says in the ANZ business, total volumes were similar to financial year 2019 levels, albeit with a changed customer mix. Dynamic pricing responded to continued growth in wages and applications per job ad, leading to a 13% rise in yield in the period. The Asia business saw similar paid ad volume declines. However, revenue was up slightly on the reported currency basis due to yield growth of 32%. Some of this gain came from the trend of lower yielding basic ads, contributing more to volume declines than higher yielding ads that started in the first half of 2023. The financial performance of both Mexico and Brazil online improved relative to their prior period. The EBITDA increased 17% as revenue grew through yield. In Brazil online, revenue increased moderately, while costs fell by 17%. We'll take a break here, but I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The Dow Jones was up 0.32%. The S&P 500 inched lower by 0.09%, while the Nasdaq slid 0.3%. European markets closed higher. London's FTSE added 0.01%. Frankfurt gained 0.65% and Paris closed 0.55% higher. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.